And these are cardboard, mostly frames, but there's also some other things in here, but they're kind of more frame stuff. And yeah, it's open book. And the Willow Lane pom-pom trim whatchamacallers. So these are cool. And so there's that. And then let's go into some of this other stuff that I got. This is old, and I just was so tempted to get it. It's American Crafts. It's called Wonder. It's been, you know, can't find this anywhere really anymore. So it really felt like Tuesday morning. Like all the stuff that you would get at Tuesday morning was there. This is Pebbles Spooky, and it's a 36 sheet paper pad. It is one-sided, and so it's a 6x8. I also got this from Pebbles, which is these stickers, kind of fall-oriented stickers. And these are the number 10 envelopes. So for slimline cards, it's the number 10 envelope. So I got that. I got these stickers. These are from Willow Lane. And so they've got like all these different ones. This. I got this one, which is Jen Hatfield Homemade. And this is Pebbles Land That I Love, I think. This one, which I've never had this one, I don't think. I think this, yeah, this is open book. I never had this one. This is, I don't know what this one is. This one feels like open book also, but I don't think it is. I'm not exactly sure what this one is, but got that one. And then this is Snowflake's Crepe Paper Snowflake Metal Stencil, which I thought was pretty cool. So I did get that. This is Jen Hatfield Homemade. Did I already? What was that other one? Oh, the other one was also called Homemade. They're called something else. This is not called Homemade. I don't know what this is. I don't know what the real names of these. They both say Homemade up there, but they are different sticker sheets. So I really don't know what the name of these are. And then this is a thicker. And then this one is Halloween, which I'm hoping it should go with the Halloween Pebbles. And then there's this Jen Hatfield phrase stickers. And this is like a, I might glare, I'm so sorry about that. This is like pink with gold writing. And then this is from the Journal Studio, Crepe Paper Journal Studio. And it comes with like all that stuff. And then this is Chasing Dreams, which I think I did use the sticker from Chasing Dreams on the projects that I did for the Maggie Holmes collab. Pretty sure that I used those stickers for that. And I got another one, I guess. Then we've got, this is Amy Tangerine, and this is a metal whatchamacallit, stencil as well, and a ruler. So I got that. And then this is a Bo Bunny stamp. And some more ephemera. Who can use happy birthday stickers? So this is Hooray. And then let's see, we've got this, which is, I wanted the Flourish washi also, but apparently it sold out before I could get my hands on it. So this is Pebbles washi. And I also have two more things. I've got this one, which is, God, it looks a little wonky here, so I hope it still works. I'll have to open it up and take a look and see if it's just stuck and I can fix it. So this is another one of these stamps, but this is a date stamp. It does have praise and prayer, which is fine. I'm not probably going to use that as much, but they do have a date. I don't know how. I got the dates, and it goes all the way up to 2028. It has the months, and you know, it has the months and days of the week, so I thought that would be very useful. And then I can't remember if I have this or not. I'm going to have to look and see. I don't think I do, but this is a stamp and die. It's the Heritage line. And so you get the die and you get the stamp. And so that is my American Crafts haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Creating the Heart.